Cooking should be fun, not frustrating. In this video, discover clever Amazon kitchen gadgets that simplify meal prep and take the stress out of cooking. Whether you're chopping, stirring, or storing, these smart tools will save you time and effort in the kitchen. Transform your cupcakes into sweet surprises with this cupcake corer tool. This clever gadget effortlessly creates a perfectly shaped hole in the center, ready to be filled with frosting, jam, or even ice cream. Made from durable stainless steel and dishwasher safe, it's a must-have for bakers who love adding a delicious twist to their treats. Say goodbye to messy freezer bags and hello to perfectly portioned frozen meals. This innovative container holds gallon-sized storage bags upright, making it easy to fill without spills. Designed to freeze food into space-saving blocks, it ensures an organized freezer and quick, even defrosting for stress-free meal prep. Make basting effortless with this innovative all-in-one silicone basting brush and bottle combo. Just squeeze to dispense sauce directly through the built-in brush, ensuring smooth, even coverage without the mess. Heat-resistant, leak-proof, and dishwasher-safe, this must-have grilling tool makes cooking stress-free, whether you're baking, roasting, or firing up the BBQ. Upgrade your grilling game with these premium stainless steel tongs, designed for a secure grip and effortless flipping. The heat-resistant rubberized handle ensures you never lose control, whether you're grilling burgers, chicken, or fish. Durable, easy to clean, and built to last, these tongs are a must-have for every backyard chef. Chop salads like a pro with this super sharp Mezzaluna chopper, designed with advanced CNC sharpening for effortless slicing. Its innovative come-apart handle makes it easy to release clogged veggies and even doubles as a pizza cutter. Detachable for easy cleaning and dishwasher safe, this versatile tool is a must-have for quick, mess-free meal prep. Cut down marinating time and boost flavor with this ultra-sharp stainless steel meat tenderizer. Its precision needle blades create tiny channels that let seasonings penetrate deeply, making even the toughest cuts juicy and delicious. With a durable, one-piece ergonomic design and dishwasher-safe convenience, this is the ultimate tool for effortless, flavorful cooking. Keep food fresh up to 10x longer with this high-efficiency vacuum sealer machine. With fully automatic operation, multiple sealing modes, and a patented easy lock handle, it seals dry, moist, and even fragile foods in seconds. Featuring a built-in bag cutter and external canister mode for soups and marinades, streamline your grilling and meal prep with this versatile 3-in-1 BBQ prep tub. Designed to function as a cutting board, washing basket, and prep station, it's perfect for chopping, rinsing, and organizing ingredients with ease. Featuring a collapsible space-saving design, non-slip legs, and a built-in drainage hole, this durable caddy is a must-have for indoor and outdoor cooking. Turn your microwave into a professional infrared grill with this microwave sandwich maker. Designed with advanced thermal technology, it crisps both sides evenly, giving you perfectly toasted grilled cheese, paninis, and more in just minutes. With a non-stick, dishwasher-safe surface, this is the ultimate hassle-free solution for quick, delicious meals. Perfect for busy lifestyles. Slice apples quicker and easier with this large stainless steel apple slicer. Designed to cut 16 uniform slices in seconds, it features an ultra-sharp blade that goes all the way through the skin, perfect for snacking, baking, or meal prep. With a sturdy, detachable design for easy cleaning and storage,